corset. Oluwa bless me today, cause I don't know tomorrow. As I walk, I pray. Lord, show me love.
Hi everyone, my name is Akorede Adenike. You are welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of you checking on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more details. Today I'm making a tutorial on how to cut flutter sleeve. This is the fabric I'm using and these are my tools. So firstly, you fold your fabric like this to form triangle. After folding it to form a triangle, I'll find where my half armhole is. My armhole is 17 of it is 8.5. These are 8.5 plus 1 inch seam allowance, 9.5. I'll now form a straight line like this. After that, I'll measure 3.2, which is my calf's height, upward like this. To get your calf's height is your bust divided by 12 plus half inch. That is the formula to get your calf's height. So here now I'll connect it slantly like this. So I'll look for what is here from this point to this point. Is 9.5. That 9.5 divided into 2. I'll fold my tape measure to find the middle of it. So after that, I'll measure half inch upward like this here on that middle. So I'll now shape my armhole to form. This is the front armhole and this is the back armhole. So I'm going to shape out the front armhole like this. So after that, my sleeve length is 10 inches plus 1 inch seam allowance, as 11. From here I'll measure 11. So that 11, from this point now, I'll now measure, what is it all together, is 18. So I'll now measure 18 all through to form a flutter sleeve very well. So from the here, I'll measure 18 all through. It's the easiest way to get your flutter sleeve. You can use a basic sleeve too to get your flutter sleeve, but that one is a long processing. This one is fast and easy. So I'll now cut it out. I'll first of all cut the back armhole. Then after that, trim here. So I'll open it up and cut the front armhole out. As you can see, it's very simple and easy to make a flutter sleeve with this method. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, leave a comment. I'm open to any advice. If you have any question, you can ask. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. Bye-bye.